How to buy ETH on Metamask with PayPal. So let me tell you that Metamask doesn't have a built-in feature to directly purchase cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Bitcoin with PayPal. However, you can buy ETH, Ethereum or Ether by using your PayPal through a cryptocurrency exchange or platform that support PayPal payment and then transfer that ETH to your MetaMask wallet, right? So I will show you how you can do it. So first of all, you have to just download any popular cryptocurrency exchange such as Coinbase or Binance or eToro or any peer-to-peer platform which is popular, right? Then you have to create an account, then you have to link your PayPal account. So once you link your PayPal account, it should be verified, right? Then you have to link your account to your exchange or platform account, and now you have to follow this instruction which I'm going to give you. Here you can see on the screen you have to deposit fund into that your account, and by using that fund, and make sure you deposit your fund by using PayPal, right? So you can just transfer money from PayPal to that cryptocurrency exchange, for example PayPal to Binance, and use that money to buy any cryptocurrency such as ETH. And once you have buy, now you have to just confirm this purchase, right? Once everything is done, then you have to transfer ETH to MetaMask wallet. How will you do that? Once you have purchased ETH on the exchange platform, you will need to transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask wallet and copy your Ethereum wallet address. Now you have to withdraw your ETH from exchange. Navigate to the withdrawal or transfer section or exchange or platform, paste your MetaMask Ethereum wallet address as a recipient address and specify the amount of ETH you want to withdraw, right? Then you have to confirm the transfer. It will be done in instant depending upon that whichever cryptocurrency exchange you are using. Then you have to review the withdrawal details including the recipient address and confirm the transfer. The ETH should be transferred from exchange or platform to your MetaMask wallet within a short period of time, as I already informed you. Then make sure you check your MetaMask wallet once again, refresh it out and make sure that you have received your Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet. So these are the steps which you can follow to buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet with PayPal. I hope you found this video very useful.